The Rise of Edible Gardens in Urban Spaces 2025 Trend. In 2025, edible gardens are no longer just the passion projects of backyard enthusiasts. They're a global movement reshaping how cities think about food, sustainability, and public green spaces. Rooftops, balconies, and even vertical walls are being transformed into lush, productive areas where tomatoes, herbs, and leafy greens thrive alongside pollinator-friendly flowers. Urban agriculture collectives and community-led garden initiatives are popping up everywhere, empowered by municipalities keen to promote local food security and reduce carbon footprints. From Tokyo to Toronto, the edible garden trend is proving that fresh homegrown produce doesn't require acres of farmland. Just a little sunlight, creativity, and community spirit. Tech is playing a big role in this transformation. Smart irrigation systems using AI to manage watering schedules, soil sensors that deliver nutrient data straight to your phone, and modular container systems that stack like Lego blocks are making it easier than ever to start and maintain a productive garden. Urban gardeners are embracing hydroponics and aquaponics, which minimize water use and eliminate the need for soil entirely. These technologies not only boost yields in small spaces, but also make gardening more accessible to people of all ages and abilities, even those with no prior experience. It's gardening reimagined for the smart city era. At the heart of this revolution is the changing mindset of city dwellers. More people are prioritizing fresh, local, chemical-free food and viewing gardening as a form of wellness and self-care. Studies show that tending a garden reduces stress, improves mental health, and fosters a deeper connection with nature, even in concrete jungles. Families are involving their children in growing lettuce and strawberries, turning mealtime into a lesson about where food comes from. Edible gardens are not just functional. They're beautiful, fragrant, and alive, adding a touch of the wild to even the smallest urban nook. Looking ahead, edible gardens are expected to play a vital role in future-proofing cities against climate-related challenges. By greening rooftops and walls, they help cool down urban heat islands, improve air quality, and manage rainwater runoff. Some forward-thinking architects are already designing buildings with built-in vertical farms, where residents can harvest vegetables right outside their apartment windows. In a world facing increasing food insecurity and ecological stress, the edible garden is more than a trend. It's a sustainable lifestyle shift that's here to stay.